guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you what I eat in a day. These are all of the things that I eat in one single day and not repeat every day. रोज़ मैं अलग अलग खाना खाती हूँ, सेम तो नहीं खाती हूँ, but this is just a gist of the kind of things that I eat to maintain the health of my skin. And as you can see, my skin is quite healthy, it's quite clean, clear, and it glows so much. I don't have any base makeup on. I have like cheek tint on, but no base makeup, no foundation, no nothing, and in spite of that my skin looks so good. This is because I take really good care of my skin, not just by applying good skincare products but also by eating healthy. So if you want to know what I eat in a day to maintain the health of my skin, then please keep on watching. So firstly, in the morning I like to consume as many fruits as possible. One of my favorites is this banana smoothie. I add a little bit of cocoa powder in it to add that chocolatey flavor, and trust me, it tastes amazing. It is so filling, it is so tasty, and it makes for the perfect full breakfast option. Apart from this, you can also consume maybe a full bowl of mixed fruits or any one favorite fruit of your choice, and top it off with some chia seeds, and it's going to be an amazing breakfast option. Moving on to lunch, I like to consume a balanced meal where I include one roti, one bowl of dal, some green vegetable, and some salad. It's really important to consume a wholesome meal for lunch so that it's packed with all of the essential nutrients, vitamins, proteins, fiber, everything. So after 30 minutes of having my lunch, I also consume this New Herbs Skin Collagen Booster with hyaluronic acid. Now this is an additional step to maintain the health of your skin, but trust me, it makes the world of a difference. It's a collagen booster, so it's packed with so much of collagen, which is a protein that's very essential for the skin. It helps to keep your skin firm and tight, and it helps to maintain younger looking healthy skin. And with age, your collagen levels drop. The production of collagen in your body kind of decreases, so that's where you need to start consuming a collagen booster like this. Now this is a plant-based product and it contains natural vitamin C. Along with that, it contains biotin from sesabania and antioxidants from green tea and sea buckthorn extract, which all help in boosting natural collagen production in your body, and they all help in repairing the damaged skin cells and maintaining healthy younger looking skin, in keeping your skin elasticity firm. It's also got quinoa seeds in there which help to nourish your skin, and it's got hyaluronic acid which helps in making your skin lubricated, in keeping your skin hydrated, and in keeping it looking dewy and fresh. And the best part is that it's sugar free, so it's great for people who are trying to lose weight. It's free from preservatives, so no added chemicals at all. It's gluten free as well. What else do you want in a collagen booster? It's very easy to consume as well. All you need is 200 ml of water in a glass. Just pour 1 scoop of the powder in the glass, mix it well, and drink it. It's naturally flavored and it tastes good as well. And you need to drink this every single day, half an hour after your lunch, and at least drink it for like 2 months to see visible difference on your skin. I have been consuming this for almost 1.5 months and you can see the difference on my skin already. Make sure that you're consistent with this. Make sure that you drink this religiously. Only then will you see a difference. So in case if you want to purchase this, the links to purchase them is mentioned in the description box below, so you can check that out. For my evening snacks, I like to consume a full plate of fruits. It could be a mixture of 2 to 3 fruits or just one of your favorite fruits, but make sure that you include vitamin C infused fruits because they're really good for your skin. They really help in enhancing the glow on your skin. Again, for dinner, I like to keep it very wholesome, so I make sure to include some protein, be it soya, chana, paneer, and I mix it with a lot of vegetables, and I consume this entire bowl of salad for dinner. You can add any vegetables of your choice. You can also add some dried mixed herbs or some sauces if you want, but make sure that it's packed with a lot of protein and with a lot of fiber, because all of that is really good for your body and for your skin. So that's everything that I eat in a day to maintain the health of my skin, and all of these foods suit my body so well and they really make my skin more clear, more glowing, and just more healthy in general. So if you want to know all of the other things that I eat on other days, do let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely create more videos on this topic because I don't eat the same food every day. मेरे लिए बहुत monotonous and boring हो जाएगा. I like variations, I like variety, and I eat different things every day. But I ensure that everything that I'm eating is healthy, and I'm including a lot of fruits and vegetables and seeds and everything in my diet. मतलब पूरा एक proper nourished meal जो होता है, I ensure that that's how my diet is. So in case you want to know what I eat on other days, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely create more videos for you all. So yeah, that was my video on what I eat in a day. I hope this video was helpful for you all. If it was, then please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.